this is Chris from Circles Farm, and today we're going to look at using a lawnmower to cut grass. Now the first thing we've got to check when we're using a lawnmower is that you're wearing steel toe cap boots, because you don't want to cut your toes off, and many people have cut their toes off with lawnmowers. Very dangerous. So I'm wearing my steel toe caps. Now on this mower you set the cut height, how long the grass is, with this lever here. It lifts the mower up and down. Now because the grass is quite long here, we're going to set it to the highest height. The next thing to check is that there's petrol in the lawnmower. So here's the petrol cap. We'll take it off, have a look. It needs a bit more petrol in there. So I've got petrol in a can here, and I've got the funnel here. Now you've got to be very careful using petrol because it's very flammable. So you've got to make sure that there's no naked flames around, nobody's smoking a cigarette, there's no sparks or anything like that. And then you can fill up the lawnmower with petrol. And pour that in there. Very careful not to overfill it. So pour it in very slowly. There you go. Fantastic. So that's full up with petrol. Now put the cap back on. Now this lawnmower has a very certain starting sequence. The first thing that we do is we prime the engine by pushing a little bit of petrol through to the engine by pressing this button here. We press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So once we've primed that, we need to hold this lever in. That's the kill lever, or the kill switch. If you let go of that, the engine automatically cuts out. So if you have an accident whilst you're cutting the grass, you let go of that, it'll cut out and it can't hurt anybody. But to start it, you've got to hold that in, and then you take hold of this pull cord, and you pull it till it starts, which may be a long time.